Now factorize this one. 4x square plus 9y square plus z square 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Now look at here, 3 perfect squares are there. Okay, total 6 terms are there. So we have already learned a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, that is equal to a plus b the plus c the whole square. So let us check whether it will form like that. So 4x square you can write as 2x the whole square. 9y square you can write as 3y the whole square. Now 16 you can write as 4z the whole square. Now let us check 12xy. 12xy means 2 into first and second term, 2 into 2x into 3y. Before that, look at this one, minus sign is there in this one. So minus sign is there. Now look at this, which term is common there? Z is common there. So we can take that z as negative term. Okay, why? When negative term will come, that is positive multiplied by a negative will be negative. So one term you can take that is common thing as negative. Here common is z, so z you can take as negative. So here negative 4z the whole square you can take. Now look at this one, 2 into 3y into negative 4z. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 into negative 4, 24, it will come negative 24yz. Okay, now plus 2 into 2x into negative 4z, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into negative 4 negative 16 xz. Okay, now when you are looking at this one, it is in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, so what is that factorization? A plus b plus c the whole square. What is our a? 2x. What is our b? 3y. What is our c? Negative 4z. Okay, that is whole square. So factorization of this one, that is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy plus minus 24yz minus 16yxz is 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square. Now second one, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Now look at here, you have 2x square. 2 is not a perfect square, but x square is a perfect square. 2 will be a perfect square when root 2 will, when you are taking root 2 square will be 2. Now 8. Okay, 8 how can you write? 2 root 2 the whole square you can write. Okay, now let us mark this one, root 2x the whole square. What is root 2x the whole square? That is 2x square. Then y square Then here you will get 2 root 2 z the whole square. 2 root 2 whole square will be 2 square will be 4. Root 2 square will be 2. 4 into 2 8 you will get. Now look at here. Here two terms are negative. What is common there? X is common there. So you can put that x is negative. Common thing negative you can put. So first term is negative. Now let us check that one. 2 into root 2x into y. Negative sign. Then 2 into y into 2 root 2z. Then 2 into root 2x into 4 root 2z. So this is also negative. Okay. Now what will come here? This one 2x square. No. Here 2 into root 2. Negative 2 root 2 xy you got. Second this term you will get 2 into 2 4 root 2 yz. Then 2 into 4 8 root 2 into root 2 2 8 2 into 2 root 2 2 into 2 4 and root 2 into root 2 2, that is 4 into 2 8xy exact. Okay. Now it is in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now what is our a? Root 2x. What is our b? Y. What is our c? 2 root 2z. Then all square. Now learn this identity. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, and a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. So you have to learn that identity. Last year we have learned 4 identities. You remember that one, no? Like that you have to learn this also. Okay. Now let us discuss the problem. Sixth one, that is 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So what is our a? 2x. What is our b? 1. So a cube, that is 2x the whole cube, then plus 1 cube, then plus 3 into 2x into 1 3 into ab, then 2x plus 1, that is 2x whole cube. 2 cube is 8 x cube, then 1 cube is 1, 3 into 2 6, then 2x plus 1. So if you want you can open the bracket. 2 8x cube plus 1 6 into 2 12x 6 into 1 6. So final answers this one. Now rearrange that one. So 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x, you are getting 6x into this one when you are opening the bracket. So first 8x cube, then we can write 12x square, then 6x you can write, then plus 1. Okay, this one here. Okay. Now second problem. Two a minus 3b the whole cube. So 2a minus 3b the whole cube. So here it will come 2a cube, then minus 3b the whole cube, then minus 2 into 3 into ab, that is 2a into 3b, then 2a minus 3b. Now 2a cube, that is 8 cube, 3b's cube, that is negative 27b cube, 2 into 3 into 3, 6 3s are 18 ab into 2a minus 3b. Now open the bracket, 8a cube minus 27b cube, 18 into 2, 36a square b, then negative into negative positive, 18 3s are 54 a b square. Okay, if you want you can rearrange that one, first one this, second, third, like fourth one like this, otherwise keep it like this. 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So here a cube is 3 by 2x, so cube, then 1 cube plus 3 into 3 by 2x into 1, then 3 by 2x plus 1. 3 by 2 whole cube will be 27 by 8 x cube. 1 cube is 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2 x into 3 by 2x plus 1. Now open the bracket, 27 by 8 x cube plus 1. So 9 by 9 into 3, 27 x square by 4, then 9 by 2 x. Now rearrange, 27 by 8 x cube plus 27 by 4 x square, then 9 by 2x plus 1. Now fourth one, x minus 2 by 3y the whole cube, that is equal to x cube minus 2 by 3y cube, then minus 3 into x into 2y by 3 minus x by 2 by 3y. Now open the bracket, first one x cube, 2 by 3 the y the whole cube, so 8 by 27 y cube. Now 3 you can cancel, 2xy, negative 2xy into x minus 2 by 3y. So when you open the bracket you will get negative 2x square y plus negative into negative 4, positive 4 xy square by 3. Okay. Now evaluate seventh question, that is using the identity. First one is 99 cube. 99 cube you can write as 99 as 100 minus 1 the whole cube. So it is in the form a a minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, so our a is 100, so 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1, then 100 minus 1. So 100 cube, you will get 10 lakh. Then 1 cube, 1 itself, 3 into 100, that is negative 300 into 99. Now 300 into 99 or 99 into 3 you find out, then 2 zeros you can put, 9 27, then 2 again 27 29, then you will get 2 more 0. So these two are negative, so you will get 729,701. Okay, so minus that from this number, minus now 1 0 sorry 9 again 9. Now here 9 minus 2 7, that is 2. Again here 9 minus 9 0, then 9 minus 2 7, and here also 9 will come. So your final answer will be this one. Now 102 whole cube, so 100 plus 2 the whole cube you can find, so 100 cube, then 2 cube, then 3 into 100 into 2, then into 100 plus 2. So cube you have to find out, 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 3 into 2 6 into 100 600 into 102. Now find out 102 into 600, so multiply that with 6 and 00 you can add, so 12, then 6, then 00. Okay, when you multiply with 600. Now add these all, plus 8 plus 61,200, so 10 lakh, then plus 8 0 2 1 6 0 1 6, so 10,61,208. Now 998 cube, that is 1000 minus whole cube, so 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1000 minus 2, so 1000 cube you will get, then 8 2 cube is 8. Now 2 into 3 6 into 1000, 6000 into 998. Now multiply, so you are getting multiply by 6 and 3 more zeros you can add to that one. So these two terms are negative, so add that. So when you are subtracting that number from this, so you will get the answer like this, a bigger number. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore, 99 crore, 40 lakhs, 11,992.